rest of this afternoon as well as tonight, obviously, because we do have that blizzard warning in effect until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Snow and blowing snow this afternoon and tonight. Visibility near zero at times. Total snow accumulations, if I can get this out, 10 to 14 inches tonight. Bitter cold, lows down to about 20 below, and wind chills from about 40 to 45 below.
You're about to see a blizzard of 2008 in Minnesota and North Dakota. Closed all the highways. It blocked our front door, and our shovel was outside, so we couldn't get to it. The dog had to go to the bathroom, couldn't let her out. Our bedroom window broke in the wind and was flapping around, and snow came in and landed on the floor and made a little snowdrift in our room before I could fix it. It was only 2 minutes. And so you're going to see all this stuff. You're going to see the dog go out and make snow angels. And it's just a little clip of the joy of living where there's winter. Boy, I could use a summer beach about right now. Well, here we are at the blizzard of 2008. All the interstates are closed in Minnesota and North Dakota. I-29, I-90, I-94. All the roads are closed. The sheriff says no traveling is advised. Everything is closed pretty much. And it's still going. It started late last night. And this is what a blizzard looks like. Can't see the neighbor's house sometimes. Can still see the swing set. I guess that's good. Still see the shed. But no neighbor's house. And our front door is, ooh, the floor is wet. Front door is blocked with snow. And the bad part of that is that the shovel is outside on the front step. Can't shut my window. Wind broke it. We got like 50-mile-an-hour winds. Hold on. My feet are wet. I can't get the window shut. What's out there? Come on, you gotta be a big mountain lion. Well, the window is frozen open. It's broken because of the wind. Snow is flying in, making my feet cold. So surviving this isn't always easy. Puppy wants a drink of water. Get water. Because her water outside the kettle froze and it's buried below a really deep snowbank. Want to see? Ooh. There it is. That's where she usually drinks water. Still thirsty. Now, how are we going to let you go out to go potty? Because the front door is stuck, drifted shut. And there's the shovel that we need. That there is the shovel. Which usually makes sense to leave a shovel on the front step so you can use it, right? Right, Sadie? Alright, the window's frozen open. I've got snow on my floor now. The window's only been open probably a minute while I got a tool to fix the window. That the wind jammed open and the ice is keeping it from closing. I'll go outside. I think we're trapped, Sadie. snowdrift in front of the door. We can't open it. Sorry, Pooch. And the shovel I need is sitting out there. See it? That's the shovel I need. Can't get out. Well, I can't even get outside. The front door has got a drift. And there's the shovel I need. If I open the garage door, I won't be able to shut it again.
Response to an injury accident, 5th Avenue and 10th Street South in Fargo, 5th Avenue and 10th Street South. You know, they were head-on glass, also complaining of some knee pain. They ran a red light. They're going to be in the eastbound lane, 5th Avenue, 10th Street South, Fargo.
Okay. Do I look cold? Well, in order to get the truck out of the garage, I had to move the car. In order to move the car, I had to shovel a big snowbank up to here. And then I had to jump start it because it was dead, pull it in onto the sidewalk, and then I could get the truck out. So, we're diehard in Minnesota. Nothing will stop us. She drives like a charm.